Hey everyone, it's Melissa of Butterfly Planner. This week I am using the Cookies for Santa kit, and let's just get right into it because I'm standing and I already filmed one plan with me and it does not feel good to be bent over this far. So I will not be doing this ever again. I have learned my lesson to just drag my chair over. And you're asking, why didn't you drag your chair over in the middle of it? Because there's stuff in the way and I just want to get my planning done. So I noticed on my last plan with me that I had forgotten to, what do you call it? I had forgotten to do date covers or cut out date covers for myself. So I am once again just using the headers across the top, these butterfly ones, and I'm going to put the date in the middle where the butterfly is. So if you hear a dog barking, I apologize. That is just one of my neighbor's dogs. I can't do anything about it. So this next week is busy, but at the same time, because of the things going on, I can't really plan out. I'm hoping to have new releases on Thursday. I have stuff designed, but if I don't have time to do all the other stuff that goes with it, they may be delayed. On Tuesday and Wednesday, we are having flooring put in, hardwood, so I just won't be able to necessarily be in the house and get everything done that I want to get done. So that's just a forewarning. And I apologize. I hate saying, oh, I'm going to have new releases this day. And then, oh, wait, just kidding. Like, I know it's not professional. I know it's not nice to do. But I hope that I don't do it that often where people are mad at me, you know. So we are just going to put this down. I think this week I want to track, what do I want to track? I don't know what should I track? Leave me a comment down below. What should I track next week or this week? Although this is going up Wednesday, so yeah. Anyways, you can tell me anyways. Okay, so let's put it in the full boxes. I'm definitely going to put one in on Tuesday because who knows what is going to go on. Same with, I'm going to do Thursday. Put in the middle. I can hear Daisy doing something she's probably not supposed to be doing. Yep, she's batting at something. And we'll do, okay, I'm going to do Tuesday, Wednesday, because I know that those, I should have done that one there then. Maybe I can get this one off without too much trouble. Okay, but I'm going to do it up here. Daisy. She's playing with sticker scraps. So, like what that is. So if you can hear her, that's what she's doing. Okay. There. I think that's pretty cute because I have a feeling these days are going to be full. I know there's a possibility of something going on Saturday with my sister, but I don't know for sure. I'm gonna put the flooring people, I'm gonna use these two. So I'm gonna put this one here and this one here. And then the only other thing I have on here is that I'm gonna need, what do you call it? to do trash, and I forgot to pull a sticker for that, so I'll do that later. But tomorrow is going to be a busy day of just trying to get stuff done. So I'm actually gonna put a checklist. I've got this tarot that's like gonna be like, you need to get all this stuff done. I'm gonna go like this and put him kind of in the middle, like, get it done, girl. And then I'm gonna go matchy matchy. Tigger. I just called her Tigger. Daisy. She has no mind. She's like, especially since you just called me your dead cat's name. She gave me the look of death. Okay, so here is how this week is looking so far. If you want to see how it ends up turning out, make sure you follow me on the gram at the Butterfly Planner. And if you want this sticker kit, check out my shop, thebutterflyplanner.com, which is linked down below with a 20% off coupon. So, yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you loved seeing Daisy or hearing Daisy be silly and naughty, then go ahead and comment down below. See you guys next time. Bye.